What's up, everybody? Mexican cuisine is a complex and ancient dish with techniques and skills developed over thousands of years. Today, Jose Soto Jr. and his father, Jose Sr. are going to show us how they make their wildly popular street tacos al pastor. Let's check it out.
FeastMode!
Hello, my name's Jose Soto, and welcome to Jose's Mexican Grill Cantina here in Hot Springs, Arkansas. So all the recipes that we use here in Jose's come originally from my grandmother from Parral, Chihuahua in Mexico. So all the salsas are family recipes that come from my grandmother. The green is the most popular for the most people. And then today we're going to introduce to you our street tacos al pastor. Al pastor is a pork marinated in our family recipe. It's going to be 3 tacos on 2 corn tortillas served with our Mexican rice and our charro beans. We have our al pastor already portioned out, so we started out on the grill. Then after that, we would introduce our corn tortillas to get them nice and warm. Put the al pastor on top, and then sprinkle cilantro and onions on top. Serve with the lime wedge, our rice, and our charro beans. And paired with that is going to be our jalapeno cucumber margarita. And there you have it, our street tacos al pastor here at Jose's Mexican Grill Cantina at 2215 Malvern Avenue in Hot Springs, Arkansas.